Hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to talk about this beautiful fridge LG purchased from Home Depot for about 3,000 bucks 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So I'm gonna show you manufacturing date, which is inside. You can see 01 2022. Oh, you just hear the noise. This video is about this noise. The fridge, it's not, wow, so strange. The fridge cost 3,000 bucks, only 2 years old. I don't think so it's correct to make this kind of noise. So if you have this kind of problem with your beautiful, nice LG made in Korea, it says it's Korea, so it's not China, it's Korea, they are cousin. And if you have any problem, if you hear any noise like this, which is very scary, I'm gonna show you what's the problem. So the fridge is working perfectly. I mean, it's cooling. The bottom is the freezer. It's working perfectly. Nothing is unfrozen. Inside it's working perfectly, and there is no any code here. So if you have this kind of problem, what I'm talking about it, you may have some code. I'm not sure about the number. I forgot. It's a 3 letters. I think CL, CFE, or CL, something with like that. And I'm going to show you quickly how to locate the problem, the reason for the problem, which part is the problem, how to remove it, and how to replace it. So guys, stick with me, like the video, and let's make a repair on this beautiful fridge. LG, 3,000 bucks, only 2 years old. But I'm gonna show you, I got another one in my garage, which is 8 years old. A beautiful Kenwood, something like that. It was a CS brand. It stopped working after 8 years. It was a top line made from American brand, they said. Also, I got the fridge in my garage. It's about over 30 years old. I know you guys still remember the company. They call I forgot the name, but it's still working in the garage. So far, I throw in the garbage. This is not already thrown, but including this one, this will be thrown in the garbage pretty soon. And I throw in the garbage 3 fridge, but the oldest one, was older than 30 years. I can say about 40 years old, and it's still working. It's still working perfectly. So let's go and talk about this problem. I think you can hear this is the brand LG, and you can see manufacturing date. You see right here, it's 2022. Today is December 17, 18, 2024. So this fridge is only 2.5 years old, because it was purchased in June 2022, and it's been in the service only 2.5 years. So guys, stick with me and to see what is making this noise. So first we need, first of all, I'm not going to unplug the fridge from the power, but I'm not going to touch anything. I remove this cover, so I'm going to pull this fridge a little bit out, and I'm gonna show you where is the problem. As you can see that that fan is working. Okay, that fan is moving, but that fan is making the fan is okay, but the problem is the motor. They call C motor, and that part is it's not expensive, but if you wanna call the service, I don't think so. They will charge you less than $500. So let's start. So the problem is that fan right here, that fan which is held in place with 4 screws. So first of all, we are going to unplug the fridge from the power. So here is the proof. Oops, sorry guys about this. This is the cable, it's unplugged. I'm not professional, but I'm gonna tell you what's the problem. Okay, to remove this motor, you need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, you need a Phillips screwdriver. If you are not sure about this removing, don't touch it. Call somebody who is handy and who can fix this. So we got 4 screws. I'm gonna remove these screws. Okay, we are back. So you have to, first of all, you have to unplug this plug. Just push it here, the finger, and pull it down. It's right here. Okay, now we are going to remove the screw. There is a 4th screw attached to that motor. Okay, once you are done with the screws, then we're gonna remove this cable. So there is a special hook. Okay, right here you can see special hook. Unhook the cable. Okay, wow. Okay, unhook the cable, slide this cable right here, and remove the entire assembly, the fan and the motor. Be careful, this fan is sharp, so if you're not familiar, so you can wear gloves for protection. Now once we remove, we are going by the table. So here is the fan, the blade. This is the old motor. If you need the number, it's right here. Okay, and this is the new one. I purchased on Amazon. I think it's about $30. It's right here. Make sure it's the same. Okay, looks same. Okay, this one it's made in China, but this original who was on the fridge, original was, wow, made in China, but they said the fridge is made in Korea. Wow, maybe the sticker. Yeah, I forgot. The sticker was probably from Korea. Anything else is from China. So what you need to do? You need to remove this fan from the motor. There is one ring, so you have to remove that ring. Once you remove the ring with the flat screwdriver, this is broken, but that's okay. We're gonna take care. Once you remove the ring, you're going to pull this fan. So we're gonna disconnect from the motor. The correct name of the motor is they call C motor. It's not EVAP motor. It's C motor. So let's remove. It's right here. Slide it out. Okay. Somebody will say, why you don't use the gloves? Safety first. Okay. I'm not professional, okay? I'm just do EY. Homeowner of the fridge owner. So I can do whatever I want. But don't forget, every time you're walking around the fridge, disconnect from the power. Okay. This is the ring. I'm gonna put the ring on a side right here. And this is the fan. How you gonna split? I use the screwdriver just to loose this, and the blade just pop out. Here is. Okay, this is the fan, this is the old motor, this is the new motor. They're similar, almost same. They're both made in China, so I hope the new one will last at least 2 years like the old one. So bye bye. This will go to recycle. Bye bye. Okay, I try to make some fun. So how you can if you spin the fan on the broken motor, you don't feel anything. It's different, except if you spin by hand, this one is going much harder than this one. So guys, after I finish this video, I'm going to open this and I'll try to repair, not to reuse, just to repair and show you is this motor repairable or what can be wrong. Please, if you hear any noise, don't spray any W2 or something, because there is some electrical parts you may damage it. So I'm going to open in my next video. Please like this video and share it. Then if I got, let's say, 100 views or 200 views, I'm going to open this one and see what's behind this plastic. Wow, nice part. Okay, let's put it together. Okay, wow, nice. Okay, here is the ring. I'm gonna slide down the ring. I'm pretty sure for this kind of job, the official service will charge you $500 because they will come first time to take to find out what's wrong. Then they're gonna order the part. Then they're gonna come again. So if they come 2 times, between $500 and $600. If you think it's less, just let me know for future reference. Let's go behind the fridge and install it. So we are back. We are going to install the new motor and the fan, the whole assembly back. So make sure you remember how this wire was. This wire was the position of the wire. Okay. Now we are going to put 4 screw. Once we are done with the screw, we're gonna route the cable. Okay, we are done with the last screw, but don't forget this is a plastic, and don't tight super tight because you can break the plastic. So before we connect to the power, as I told you, remember how this cable was routed, so it's not touching the blades. So before we connect it, just try to spin the blade. Make sure it's spinning freely, it's not touching anything around. So here is the plug. Just plug it here. Plug it here, and you can hear click. Oops. So we are good. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go and plug it to the power and see the result. So we have to wait until the system is come to the cycle. We have to wait a while until it starts moving. It's certain condition to start moving, some temperature to be at proper range. So don't worry if you see it's moving little by little. It's nothing wrong with the motor.